This right here, guys, is a brown snake. That's the most deadliest snake in Australia.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hey, Bobo. So we're at this pool, guys. About to have a swim with little Bobo. Babe's there. Hi, Bobo. So it's a warm, it's an indoor pool and it's very warm. Hi, Bobo. There we go. Oh! Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, Bobo. Good one.
You good?
Good one.
Let me turn.
Hi, Bobo.
Hey, Bobo. Ready for spin?
Hi.
Come, swim. Come on, kick your leg, kick your leg. Come on, yay! Okay, go swim to dad now. Swim to dad. Ready? Island, hi! So, oh my god. It's your mommy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Yay!
Good job.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Yay! Good Island.
Good boy.
Alright, Daddy's turn now. Give Daddy a turn. Daddy's turn.
Ready?
Yay!
Good boy. Start it. Ready? 1, 2, go! Yes. Good boy. He loves it.
Yeah, he loves the water. That's for sure. You like the water? Island? Island boy. Island. 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 You like the water? Yeah? Island. Look, listen, talk, say hi. Hi everybody. Hi. Nice, eh?
Wow, outside more windy.
Yeah. Outside would be windy for real. G's and P's. I got these bites on my legs since we went away. Said Dad.
I got you. Yes, sir. Kiss. Kiss. Oh, sorry.
Shit, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. Welcome back to the Island family, guys. Island's behind the camera.
Yep.
You want us to know Island?
I get you, boss.
Island's vlogging for you guys. He's telling me about the guys down there have a ball and he wants to play with it. Tell them, Island, tell them. What do you say? What do you say? Oh.
Here we have little Bubba. You scared? You scared of this little water right here, guys. Island. This right here, guys, is a brown snake. We almost ran right over it.
Maybe?
Oh shit. No, it's just right there. Oh my god, it's just laying there like it's dead. Yeah, guys. That's the most deadliest snake in Australia.
One of the most deadliest, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
Wow.
Is it doing anything?
No, it's just laying there like it's dead. Look at this, guys. What? It didn't even move. Literally. Yeah, these snakes are deadly, man. Okay, guys, so that's the brown snake for ya.
There you go.
Wow. So guys, I want to show you Island and with the chickens. He loves the chickens so much. See? He wants to hold them, so he gets upset if he can't catch them. You want to hold it? Yeah? Okay. Go on, hold it. Hold it. It's heavy? Alright, let me try to catch it for you. It's alright, it's alright. Oh shit, it's alright. It's alright, Bubba, it's alright, it's alright. Aww. He loves the chicken so much. Careful, it has. He's picking you. Yeah. Look at him patting its head. What are you doing? No, no. All he does all day is chase these chickens around. He loves them so much. Kawa. Catch it, catch it. Catch it. So I'm gonna have to give this grass a cut, guys. It's spring here now, so the grass really grow fast. Within 1 week, this is how it looks. Yeah. It's alright, Island. It's alright. It's alright. It's only one of them that's really tame that will let him hold him. Yeah, they just wanna have a feast. Catch it, catch it, catch it. He loves them so much. It's alright, Bobo. Island. Island. Bobo. Island. He call it Bobok. Hold it. I hear one in a catch him. Make we go cook him. Yes, you got him. Alright, let me hold him for you. Go on, hold him now. This one is a bit more wild. You wanna hold him?
Oh. Sit.
Island, come on. Hold him. I swear this boy I love me chicken them too much, you know. Baba, look for him. Why do all that chicken for yourself, eh? Yeah. Island. I know. They don't want to be old all the time, Island. Let me try catch one for you. I got one for you. Come. You good now? Hmm? You got your pop. Your pock. Go on. Hold it. Hold it, Bobo. Why are you see that? Oh. All right. Island, they don't want to be old all the time.